What's up, bitches? It's unboxing with Fat Boy.
No. Hold on, first we're gonna fucking unbox this. Ow! Nectar of the gods. Alright. It's moment of fucking truth, baby. Alright, be gentle. Be gentle. Okay. Slip. Alright, baby. What's this fucking little goodie here? Oh yeah. Dark homunculus. Got some fucking. Oh, what? There's an Allen key and shit in there, dude. I guess to do something. Oh, you're gonna feel the weight is all. Be gentle. Right through. Listen, no resistance is all. Oh, really? What? Oh, damn. Hurrah. Oh yeah, it's perfect. I promised you I wouldn't fuck around unless I was on grass, so we won't chuck with them, but they are pretty. Nice braided rope. It's not a chain. I'm not seeing an Allen key spot, though. Okay, there's a little bit of a nick there. You can see that. Just make sure I show you all the imperfections. You know, like, yo, what the fuck, guy? I fucked up my shit. It's kind of like a little. Yeah, see that little. I think that's on both. Yeah, it's on both. I guess that's. Yeah, there's one on that side too. I guess that's how they bonded or went through and attached the rope. Either way, sir, these are fucking beautiful. These are heavy. Like these, it's a weapon too. I mean, it's a little padded. It's padded, but clearly, like there's just a thicker end to them. You could fucking, come around and just crank it, dude. These are beauties. All right, dude. Well, I'll keep them good for you until you can come get them. Come get your shit, bro.